When you search for dual monitor riser stands, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Giant Otter Dual Monitor Stand. First up is the Giant Otter Dual Monitor Stand. At $28.99, this sleek black riser stands out with its practical design and ample storage features. If you want a cleaner workspace while keeping your monitors at eye level, this is worth a serious look. The Giant Otter stand has a drawer and 2 magnetic pen holders, which means you can keep your desk accessories organized and easily accessible. With dimensions of 40.6 x 9.3 x 4.3 inches, it fits most desks nicely, and the sturdy build ensures your monitors won't wobble. It even comes fully assembled, so you can just unbox and go. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a tidy workspace can significantly enhance your focus and productivity. Now, some people complained about it being a bit lower in height than expected. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger monitor setup, it might not lift them high enough to suit your needs. But for most standard monitors, the height adjustment is just right. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward solution to organize your desk without the hassle of assembly. Skip this one if you have exceptionally tall monitors or require extensive height adjustments. For the price, it offers great value and functionality. Product number 2, WESTRE Dual Monitor Stand. Next up is the WESTRE Dual Monitor Stand, priced at $29.99. The rustic brown finish caught my eye immediately, making it a stylish choice for those wanting a bit of character in their workspace. If you're looking for a sturdy stand that doubles as a decorative piece, this one's worth a look. This stand boasts thick solid steel legs that can hold significant weight, and with a load-bearing capacity that feels incredibly secure, you won't have to worry about your monitors sliding off. Its dimensions of 35.8 x 10.2 x 4.92 inches make it versatile for different setups. Plus, it's designed to improve your posture by raising your screens to eye level, which can help reduce neck strain. Here's why this matters. Maintaining good posture is crucial, especially during long hours at your desk. Some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky, but honestly, if you follow the included instructions, it should take about 2 minutes to set up, so it's really not a huge deal. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy yet stylish option that fits well with a rustic aesthetic. Skip this if you're looking for something with a modern look or if you prefer a simpler design. For its price point, it balances style and function nicely. Product number 3, BONTEC Dual Monitor Stand. The BONTEC Dual Monitor Stand comes in next at $29.99. This one really impressed me with its adjustable length feature, ranging from 31.5 inches to 42.5 inches. If you need flexibility in your setup, you should definitely pay attention to this. It even includes 3 spacious compartments for organizing your office essentials, keeping your workspace clutter-free. The smart cable management and smartphone holder are nice touches that add to its usability. Here's why this matters. A tidy desk can significantly boost your productivity and convenience, allowing you to focus on your tasks without distractions. However, some reviews pointed out that the non-slip base could be a bit more secure. I'll be real with you, if you have a heavy monitor setup, you might want to keep an eye on it. But for most users, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for versatility and organization in one product. Skip this if you have exceptionally heavy monitors that might require a sturdier base. For the functionality, it's a solid investment. Product number 4, Acrostar Dual Monitor Stand. Next, we have the Acrostar Dual Monitor Stand priced at $24.29. With an adjustable length from 32 inches to 40 inches, it's a great option for those who need flexibility. If you're juggling different monitor sizes or setups, this could be your go-to. The stand offers ample space underneath for a full-size keyboard and other office essentials, which can help eliminate desk clutter. It's also ergonomically designed to lift your monitors to a comfortable height, reducing eye strain and neck pain. It can hold up to 70 pounds, so you won't have to worry about stability. Here's why this is important. A clean workspace can enhance productivity and comfort, especially during long hours. On the downside, some users found the assembly process to be somewhat confusing. Honestly, if you're not the DIY type, you might feel a little frustrated. But once you get it together, it's sturdy and reliable. This is perfect for you if you need a customizable stand for different monitor setups. Skip this if you're not comfortable with assembly or if you prefer something that's ready to use straight out of the box. For the price, it offers solid performance. Product number 5, AMERIRGO Dual Monitor Stand. Lastly, we have the AMERIRGO Dual Monitor Stand for $29.99. This product stood out to me because of its unique slot design to hold tablets and smartphones, which is super handy. If you want a multifunctional stand that keeps everything organized, this is a great choice. The ergonomic design helps raise the monitors to a comfortable level, preventing neck and back strain. Plus, it has 3 storage spaces underneath to keep your office supplies organized. Here's why this is worth considering. Staying organized can make your work life a lot easier and more productive. However, some users mention that it could be a bit wobbly if not set up properly. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to ensure it's securely assembled, it provides excellent support. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional stand that also manages your devices. Skip this if you need something super heavy-duty or if you have very large monitors. For its functionality, it delivers good value for the price. In summary, each of these dual monitor riser stands has its own unique strengths. The Giant Otter is great for organization, WSTRE adds rustic charm, BONTEC offers flexibility, a Crossstar provides adjustability, and AMERIRGO combines function with device management. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be a solid addition to your workspace.